Did you open it? I have no idea what I was asking about. But more often than not, you know my videos are pre-recorded, this one for sure, by more than a few weeks. I know this one was recorded way back when the orders first came in before the first Amazon video. So as you can see, I'm giving some more ASMR. And if you're not into it, I do ask that you bear with me because I love ASMR in videos. Yeah, I think I was trying to make the sounds extra. So this is what the kit comes with, and the company name is Mobray. I only had one small issue at opening. I found this tiny little loose blue crystal, so I checked the brush and it wasn't damaged. Maybe it was a thank you gift. There are 5 15-gram tubes of Mobray Polygels, soft pink, clear, clear nude, clear coffee, and nude pink. So here are the swatches. I love this first one. It's so bubblegum and cute. The second one is a little lighter. But you know what? I'm not too sure about the clear though. Tell me what you think. But the clear jelly pink seems nice. And I really like this nude. So here they are properly lined up with each tube. Yeah, that clear isn't a hit for me. It's gonna have to be better than this. But all is not bad because I would simply mix a color or glitter and create a whole new use for it. I can even use it as a foundation layer for the après dupe method because it'll be the part that you won't see anyway. I chose one color just for you to see how the polygel performs. Oh, and might I add, this brush feels so nice, guys. The hairs are silky to the touch and it feels so smooth over the polygel. I used just a small bit of 70% alcohol. What I like best about this polygel is how it stayed in place until I touched it with the brush. The translucent gives it such a close look to an actual nail bed, doesn't it? I also liked how much I could handle the polygel before I needed to wet the brush again, so I spent a little time doing this so you can see. The density of this Polygel, I'd say, is medium. It's thick enough to stay in place, yet soft enough to work. It feels so nice with this brush. I can't get over it. All I can say is, don't sleep on these affordable products, guys. So as you watch this, it's sped up because I just wanted to offer a real quick glimpse of how this Polygel handles. And I was dying to see how this bubblegum looked, so I had to do one nail with it. And it's so pinky pink and cute, isn't it? I'm just working it and barely needing any slip or alcohol. I think this is nice if you're looking for something affordable, of course, because that's what this series is all about. It also would be great for someone just getting started and not be overwhelmed by the hassle of like those soft, sticky polygels. I like it a lot, and if you do, go ahead and click the like button. And as you know, these affordable Amazon nail hauls always end in a giveaway. And the person who's going to receive this Mobray Polygel kit to try it with me is Rhonda Mastropoalo. Congratulations, Rhonda. OMG. I am so excited for you to get these, and I can't wait. So remember to reach out to me on Instagram. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you have and you'd like to see more of these affordable Amazon nail haul try it with me's, this is the 5th one, and there's also a playlist for you to enjoy. Just click this link right here and we'll see you there.